Welcome to Grammar.Galore. This is Habibullah, an ESL instructor at TLA. Viewers, today's topic of discussion is preposition, another parts of speech. In the previous video, we discussed adverbs in detail with all its types, positions, and formation of adverbs. Here we will discuss preposition. Now, first, let's discuss the the origin of preposition, where the word preposition has originated from, and what does it mean. So, the word preposition is taken from the Latin word prepositio, which means completer. The lafaz preposition today have the Latin lafaz preposition or the completer. Completer yani the jubilee meaning complete. It completes the meaning of a sentence. It acts as a completer. Now, the word preposition is made of two words or two parts. Pre, which means before or previous, and position, which means placement. So basically, preposition means placement before noun or pronoun. The preposition matlab dare che aga mum place ku ya aga mum lagau the noun or pronoun na makh ki pa jumla ki. It's placement before noun or pronoun in a sentence. Now these are the definitions of preposition. The first one is that prepositions are those words which are used before noun or pronoun in a sentence to connect those nouns or pronouns with the rest of the sentence. To connect those nouns or pronouns with the rest of the sentence. Like for example, I wrote a book about my father. Now about is a preposition in this example. It is used before a noun, father, to connect this noun with the rest of the sentence. I wrote a book about whom? About my father. If I just erase or remove this preposition about, this sentence will not give a complete meaning. Like I wrote a book, my father. It doesn't give complete meaning. So preposition actually completes the meaning of this sentence. And it connects this noun with the rest of the sentence. I wrote a book, my kitab likale, chabarake, tul walid se barake, bla barake. So preposition acts as a connector. It also acts as a linker. It links noun or pronoun with the rest of a sentence. Another definition of preposition is that prepositions are those words which are used to complete the meaning of a sentence. Preposition today haga jumlo ki istemali per speech ki per English language ki the speech ya the statements to complete the meanings completely. It completes the meaning of a sentence. Without this, a sentence does not give complete meaning. Like for example, the class starts at 6 p.m. So here at is a preposition. It is used to connect this noun of time with the rest of the sentence. The class starts when? At 6 p.m. So here if I remove this at, the class starts 6 p.m. No, it doesn't give complete meaning. There is a missing point there. And that missing point or that gap filler is preposition here. It actually fills this gap, it completes the meaning of this sentence. Without prepositions, these sentences do not give complete meaning. They are incomplete sentences. They are wrong sentences. Like if you say, I just remove it, if I remove it, the class starts 6 p.m., so that would be incorrect. But if I use preposition, then it becomes correct. So prepositions are used or are placed before noun or pronoun in a sentence to complete the meaning of a sentence. They act as completer of a sentence, they complete the meanings of a sentence. This is all about the basics of preposition, the origin of preposition, the literal meaning of preposition, and definitions of preposition. Viewers, then we have types of prepositions. Prepositions are divided into 5 types. Simple prepositions, compound prepositions, agentive prepositions, participle prepositions, and disguised prepositions. Simple prepositions are those prepositions which are made of one word. Or simple prepositions are those prepositions which are spelled as one word. Spelled as one word. Simple prepositions هغه prepositions دي چې هغه د یو لفظ نه جوړ شوي یا simple prepositions هغه prepositions دي چې هغه د یو لفظ په شان spell کیږي. Like for example I say in, on, at, to, for, etc. These are simple prepositions. They are made of one word or they are spelled as one word. Then simple prepositions have two categories. One syllable simple prepositions and two syllable simple prepositions. One syllable simple prepositions are those simple prepositions which produces one sound. They are made of one unit of pronunciation in a language, like in, on, at, to, for. They produce only one sound. These सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये आवाज होगा, ये आवाज जुड़े. So they are called one syllable simple prepositions. Then we have two syllable simple prepositions. So those prepositions which produces two sounds. Like we have into, between, behind, beside, etc. These are two syllable simple prepositions. They are those prepositions which produces two sounds, like into. दो sound आया, दो आवाज जुड़े या दो आवाज produce कई चीज़ का pronounce करो. They are called two syllable simple prepositions. Between, behind. So these are all simple prepositions. One syllable simple prepositions and two syllable simple prepositions. Then we have compound prepositions. Now compound prepositions are those prepositions which are made of compound prepositions are those prepositions which are made of two or more than two words. هغه prepositions دي چې هغه دوا یا دوا نزياتو الفاظونه جوړ شوي. Compound prepositions are also of two types. Two-word sequence compound prepositions, and we have the three-word sequence compound prepositions. Now, what types in the compound prepositions? The yo ya the dwa ya the dro naziyat alfazuna joshib. So two-word sequence compound prepositions are those prepositions which are made of more than two words. Like we say next, nearby, due to, because of, etc. These are those compound prepositions which are made of more than one word, or they are made of two words. And then we have three-word sequence compound prepositions which are made of three words or more than three words. Like in front of, three words. In the middle of, more than three words. In the corner of, or at the corner of. So more than three words, etc. So three-word sequence compound prepositions are those compound prepositions which are made of more than three words. The whole compound prepositions is This is all about compound prepositions. And these agentive prepositions are those prepositions which are used as part of by phrase in passive construction when we make passive sentences. Chekalo passive jumle joda passive construction ki by istimalo ya to istimalo to form passive sentences. So when we use preposition by or to in passive construction, these prepositions are called as agentive preposition. Like a passive sentence is that a letter is written by her. So here by her is a by phrase. It's a passive construction. This sentence is a passive sentence and used by in this sentence, in this passive sentence, and that's called an agentive preposition. We can also use to. Like we say that a letter was sent to her. A letter was sent to her. So we use to in basic construction in this example to make to construct agentive preposition or to indicate agentive preposition. The next one is participle prepositions, are those prepositions which are in ing form. Prepositions which are in ing form, they are called as participle prepositions. Have prepositions the ing form ki ya ing form ki the we base fi, so that they are called as participle prepositions, like concerning, following, regarding, etc. These are participle prepositions. They are made of ing or they contain ing in them. Like for example, I don't want to talk regarding this topic. I don't want to talk regarding this topic. Today topic so regarding here is a preposition. It's a participle preposition because it contains ing and it contains topic noun with the rest of the sentence. As usual, as preposition acts. All preposition acts as connector or linker. They link noun or pronoun with the rest of the sentence. And the last one is disguise prepositions. Disguise prepositions are those prepositions which are kept hidden in a sentence. Which are kept hidden in a sentence, or where we do not use preposition in a sentence, and their place is known, but we do not use a preposition there. So that preposition is called as, such prepositions are called as disguised preposition. They are kept hidden, or they are kept ellipses in a sentence. It means their place is understood or their position is understood in a sentence. For example, I went hiking today. I went hiking today. It's a sport. So here if you see, we have just kept the preposition to hidden or ellipsis, understood. It is actually like this, I went to hiking today, but we have just kept this preposition hidden or disguised. So such prepositions are called as disguised prepositions. Or prepositions in chaga jumla ke room na show ko ya na khayu na exhibit ko agam ellipsis ko, we keep it understood or we keep it ellipsis. So prepositions which are kept hidden in a sentence are called as disguised prepositions. These are all about the types of prepositions, viewers. This is all for today. Wish you best of luck. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for further videos.